Hello guys, welcome to BitcoinMF. Quick TA update, the way I see the market today. I remind you this is not financial advice, so please make sure to do your own research. Let's dive right into it. Naked chart, daily candles with the same levels that we follow. Now I've added two levels yesterday. We can see that this level 10.5, I watch it as a general resistance, and this level 9.6 I watch it as general support. And what I want to see today is one of the two. Either we go and break up to this area of the resistance and maybe even above, to play above the resistance and try to shoot more up. This is the bull scenario, and the bear scenario is that we will continue to go down or bleed down or whatever it's called down. And I want to see if we can actually make it to the 9.6 level. Also, this vertical line, as you notice, is 23 of September. Probably it rings your bell because this is the backed opening and everybody is waiting for this. Everybody got opinion on if it's going to go lower after the opening, higher after the opening. I don't think that somebody knows. I think that it doesn't matter the direction it will go. It will take everybody's money because that's the way it works. And back it or not back it, there are forces larger than this in this market, and they decide what is the next move. What we have left to do, if we understand this, is to try to catch the move like they want it, like the big money, like the big whales do it. Okay, so for me, these last days especially, TA is important. FA is also important, but more important is the fact that this whole market, in my opinion, is just being held hostage, and it is hard to explain and hard to comprehend because we are being shoved to the throat the narrative of Satoshi Nakamoto, of the free money, the free person, of the fuck the banks, of the fuck the government. This is all good and beautiful, but in real life it is also dangerous because somebody is holding the price above 10k, okay? And it's not because Bitcoin is so good or so better than the fiat money or whatever you want to call it, though I'm also on this crypto side, you know what I mean? But price can go below 10k, no problem, and price can go above 10k, no problem. It only matters where will be more money to be taken. Okay, what I mean is where most of the traders will put their money, so the market will go to there and will take their money. What I mean take their money, it's in the form of liquidations, it's in the form of running the stop runs of profitable traders or traders that are not even in profit, just put stop losses to make themselves safe, okay, which is okay. Anyways, what I see in the next week is a very intense market, and what I try to do for myself is just to stay on the right side and maybe get some BTC along the way. Okay, so if we add the BB bands and the BitcoinMF strategy and we change to Haikinashi, like we always do and like we always watch, we can see that if you follow the video from yesterday and yesterday's live stream, that after the long signal here which had trouble, suddenly we got a new short signal. Surprise. And this is we talked about yesterday, and right now we also got now this long 3 inside up, okay, on the SPX. So it's less concerning us about the SPX maybe, but still I watch the SPX. I also trade it sometimes. Never mind, more details in the Discord server. So BTC wise, okay, BTC wise, we've got a new short signal on the strategy, which means that it doesn't straight go down maybe, okay, and it doesn't mean that it will go down 100%, because there are times like here you see we have short, but the short goes up. So please be careful. What I do is I do use this strategy as a guiding line for the general view of the market, and right now I am also again short after yesterday, sorry, because I got taken out on the last pump. My stop loss has been taken out, so I waited some and I reshorted from higher place a little bit, and now I am still in this short and everything is still okay. But we watch today to see how it develops and what will be. So the extreme scenario I see for today, of course, is okay, we start with the bulls. With the bulls, we've got the short signal, and suddenly all the bulls will wake up, get tickets to the moon, hop on the shuttle, and they will come to 10.5 and maybe break it up just to prove lazy is wrong, maybe try to take lazy's money. But I promise you this won't be so easy to take my money, because many people try to take my money, and many people ended up with no money, okay. But this is not about me, this is about the market. So again, the bull scenario is the short. This short will go wrong, lazy's calls are wrong. This is the bull scenario, and we go up to the 10.5 and maybe we even more, and we break up and everybody will buy here, and once they buy here we go a little bit more up and then we dump. That's the bull scenario I see. There is also the bear scenario. The bear scenario says that this short will work out eventually at the end of the day, or in some part of the day, it doesn't matter, and we will start to go more down. And what will happen when we go more down? When we go more down and we close below the mid BB on the daily level, if we close below the mid BB, for me it is more bearish, and for me I will start to see if the prices keeps getting more down, okay. So make sure you follow the Discord server, and all the links are in the description. And again, this is not financial advice, this is just what I use and what I see and what I do, and if you find it helpful, so you can check this out, you're welcome. It will be only my pleasure. If we add the indicators, we can see on the RSI we are below 50, which I love to see as a bearish sign. Also the stochastic is showing us a little bit like down. MACD also something like this. Maybe we'll cross, I don't know, but for now it's hard. So we keep follow. Let's break it down to the time frames. Okay, we can see on the 4 hour, just let the strategy take a hold for a second. We can see that we had a short signal which did work nicely, and people who didn't close here, I'm sorry, okay, but you should have take some of the profit here, because that's the way it works. When it reaches take profit, you take the profit, and once it reaches the take profit, once it reaches the take profit, market what I call reacts, and this is what we see. You see, we reached it, and then the green dildo got and took everybody out, okay, and everybody who shorted with this signal is today saying lazy signal is bad, wrong, TA doesn't work. What more excuses have people got? We say like this: a bad dancer is blaming the floor. He says the floor is not straight, so we cannot dance. the way he can dance, you know what I mean? And my personal paraphrase on this is a bad dancer, his big balls are getting in the way, okay? Because he cannot like move freely like he wants, because he got those big balls hanging out. And it's as a dancer, it makes the moves heavy, okay, for him as a dancer, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, sorry for the philosophical part, you know me, I got to do this. 4 hours, we can see that it took everybody out. Again, started to confuse everybody to go long. And what happened? Again, a red dodgy candle with no body, no nothing. Everybody is looking at the chart right now and saying, what the fuck, how did I go long here? Lazy told me to go short, I didn't short, it pumped, I longed, it put me in profit, I went to sleep, now I'm at underwater. What do? I know, I wait till it pumps more so I can close at profit. Okay, maybe it will pump more and maybe you will close at profit. It is possible, it is BTC, but to be honest, I don't see a reason for it to pump unless it wants to take you into profit. That's the only reason, okay? So for me, it's more still down, okay? I'm still bear, I'm sorry. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. We will see throughout the day, okay? So the 4 hours, what is important, you see this candle, you don't see this candle, it's only a wick. Your eyes are not lying, it's okay. This is what happens, the RSI below. Let's move along. 1 hour, we can see what we can see. The 1 hour, again, we had a short signal. Who took it? Very good. Who closed profit? Even better. Who didn't close profit? Not so good, because you see what happened. And then we got a long signal, which was kind of false, but still could be tradable if you were fast enough. And once we got the pump, we've got to 10.4 almost, okay? And we started to go down. The night we got down, and we woke up in the morning below the strategy EMA again. Again, we got a short on the 1 hour, and price is going up again. So people are now seeing this as a mid BB support, maybe on the 1 hour, or maybe more something. I don't know what people look at. But for me is just confusing, because the short is on, and it goes up a little bit to put everybody here who took this signal over underwater. Maybe try to shake them off, maybe try to close their shorts, and we will need to follow closely to see what happens next, because of course it can shoot up. This is BTC, it does whatever, and also there is a possibility, in my opinion, that it will go down, and this is why I'm still shorting this wonderful asset. Okay, 30 minutes, what we can see, same situation but more choppy signals, okay? If you I don't like the 30 minutes, to be honest. Never mind, just something I don't like. Also on the patterns, I don't like it. The 30 minutes shows a pump. After the pump, we've got the BB top action. We went down, tried to find support, and eventually support broke down, and we got the short, and we got a little bit down, and now again up, fighting for this mid BB again area in the strategy EMA area. And again, if this holds as resistance, if this line, let's mark this line, okay? If this line holds as resistance, so we will probably go more down. But if this line breaks up and eventually turns to support, so of course we look at the possibility of more up on the chart, okay? 15 minutes scalpers time frame, as I like to call it. Same thing, okay, but just more candles long. After the short, brak. Look, if you didn't take profit, then you need to reconsider, in my opinion, the use of this strategy, and also the use of your methods of taking profit. I don't know, just my personal opinion, doesn't mean I'm right. If you didn't take profit, maybe you got email even, okay, because it went up to stop run all of those people who shorted here and put the stop losses above, like the textbooks safe play, so they got out, okay, they're outside of the market. And if the effect on them was strong and market makers succeed in doing what they try to do, not only they got stopped, also those people in their mind flipped and put their money on the long. And when they put the money on the long, once they press the button, we can see what happens. And then we go down. And now people are underwater long when they say, no problem, because BTC is so strong and above 10k, I will buy more when it goes down. I will average cost it. You know what I mean? I will average my entry as it goes more down. I will buy more until it will go up. And okay, good luck. I understand this. I sometimes also do this, but the problem with this is that nobody knows is where the down is until what level. Okay, so what will you do if it just extreme scenario goes suddenly to 2.5k? Will you buy more every time once it goes to 2.5k? Will you have enough funds to do this also? Think about it. I don't know, everybody's got his own pocket. I got my own pocket, and it's okay to use the pockets that we've got, because we can't use pockets of other people. It's very simple. Okay, so again, on the 15 minutes, what we can see is a general little move up, but also those wicks are showing that there is a big seller somewhere, and this short signal is still, in my opinion, at the table, and can still play out. And if you follow me on the trading view and on the Discord, I even posted a short entry attempt for the signal, and you can see the prices and the stop losses and the take profits and everything is there. So check it out on the Discord or in the trading view profile. No problem, no advice, just my opinion. So again, let's sum it up with the strategy. On the daily, we have a new short signal. We have 10.5 as resistance general from above, and we have 9.6 as support general from below. Right now I am short, and I want to see throughout the day if this shit actually comes down before the back opening and all of this bullshit. And everybody got opinion on this. Everybody either says it's gonna pump, it's gonna go more lower. I don't think nobody knows. I will share in the near time, in the few days, next days, what also I think about this and what is my plan. But today is still early to reveal this. Just in my imagination, it's okay. So again, the short signal of the daily, I really consider the daily signals as something strong, and I am right now again short, and I want to see if this shit works out for me, so I can take profit at lower levels. And the levels I look at, to be honest, I don't hide anything. Also, if you checked on the Discord server, there is a clear target. I don't like to use the word target, okay? I use the word price, because the word target is something taken out of the war, and I don't fight, okay? I don't fight the chart. I reach the prices and I take them. Anyways, it's 9765, okay? 97 up 9765. Here I want to close 9765. he doesn't want to put me a line. What the fuck? 9765. Sorry, you got the idea, okay? This is if price goes to here, I will close the short order, okay? Again, it doesn't mean that I am right. It doesn't mean nothing. It just means that that's what I watch and that's what I do today, okay? So let's take a look at some other setups we follow. The pivot and the EMA 7 EMA. The script is in the description and the trading view profile. You can get it. It's free. And we can see that we broke the pivot, tried to break it up and broke it strong again and move more down, move more up, but still we didn't get above the pivot and we also below the EMA. So for me it's a textbook bearish. The problem is with this textbooks bearish is like the problem is with the bull textbook bullish, because strong bulls can push up the price again to above the EMAs. For all these bears textbooks will get wrecked, okay? So be very careful, because today I'm also on this side, so I'm watching like with 8 eyes in case the price goes up. I want to exit, maybe I will have to consider it, and everybody is doing what is best for them. You know how it is, okay? So what I see for now on the 1 hour, it is below the 21 EMA, it is below the pivot line, and if we will go a little bit more down, so this EMA will cross the pivot also, and it is even more bearish for me, okay? If we look at the 4 hour, what shows us? Same situation, but again we are here at resistance of the EMAs, and we broke down the pivot line, and it seems to me that it is going like more down, maybe. Even if it will come to test the pivot line, it doesn't mean it will break it and go up, because there is heavy resistance from here. You can see the wick is exactly at the 7th EMA. It's like no go, okay? That's what I watch. For me it's like this. Let's even look on the daily. On the daily we can see also the same shit. As we touch the pivot from below, the pivot is resistance, strong hard, and it brought us again to the below 21 EMA, which is a very important EMA in my opinion. So please guys, watch out, because as I said yesterday, as a bear, what I want to see is a candle, a big dildo red candle that will go to here to test this EMA and this trend line, blue line, okay? So this is what I watched today on this chart. Okay, sorry. The last thing we look at is this super trend and the RSI EMA script, which also can be found. And right now we are at super trend buy on the 1 hourly, and everybody is going long, but the volume is going down. And also I watch to see if the RSI will print out to break the 50 level, because this will mean more bulls are on the way, in my opinion. But if it won't break the 50 level, so it means that more bears are coming, and we will get more down movement, okay? And if we check on the higher time frames, we can see that like for example on the 4 hour, the sell super trend is even not broken yet, and everybody who took the long signal is actually below the sell super trend, okay? And here the EMA is also acting as resistance, and right now what we're watching is to see how this shit unfolds, because if it goes then prints the RSI up, so of course we go up. But if this EMA of the RSI is resistance, so eventually we will go more down, okay? And on the daily, we also can see a similar situation. You see this already crossed, and now we watch this level. If it's support, if the RSI finds support here, so price is going up, but if RSI breaks down, so price is going down. Okay, so this is today, this is all I gotta say for today, I think. One last thing is I heard about important news, such as not so important, but for me is important. The Bybit exchange is interrogating the trading view into the system, and they want to be able to trade from trading view, but on Bybit. Okay, so this means that we will put the API, and we will see all the orders and all these things on the trading view chart. And for me is really amazing, but also there is the other side for this. It means that Bybit and TradingView together are collecting data of the retails using the API. So bigger forces of the market can work with this. In my opinion, this is what happens, because when a big trader, a pro trader, wants to use his systems with an API, what he does is he does it the right way. He doesn't use a third platform, third side platform. Okay, I think, because this is how the pros do it, and this is what I think about it. I might be wrong, but those are my opinion. Those who follow me know that I hold different opinions, and again I will say this: all this interrogation of the Bybit and all this effort on the Bybit exchange, it's because of the marketing, because of the whales. They want retails to go inside. They give free money for people to go inside and then deposit the little bit of the BTC in order to get the ticket to the moon. But at the end of the day, all of those small players are getting collected, and their BTC is gone along with the bonus. They have to open another account because they want again the bonus, and they deposit the minimum again, and they want to go with 0.02 BTC to the moon, which is very, very hard in my opinion. So please think about it. There is a ref link in the description, of course. This is how I do it. I tell what I think, and I tell what I use, and I'm also on Bybit, and no, I don't have big money there. I mostly try to take small moves and develop this account by little, and we see with time how it gets along. Okay, also what I like to do is there is a Telegram group, and they always have some topics there, and if you engage there and if you're active in this community, they give to be honest, they give very nice bonuses, and I already got more than once, and I'm happy for it, and it is nice, no doubt about it. So if you want, check on the Discord server. I post the Telegram group. It's no problem. You can find it also on the Bybit site. Maybe you are already in it, I don't know, but anyways, just know that the bonuses are real, and this is my strategy, my method. I collect the bonuses and I trade with them, and I try to develop this account into something bigger without depositing big funds from my personal pocket. Okay, so guys, that's it for today, I think. Again, you can check the links in the description. Everything is there. The links for the Discord, for everything, for the Telegram pattern scanner, for the demo pattern scanner. Okay, everybody already know. And that's it for today. Good luck, trade safe, make money, and see you next time. Okay, bye bye.